Hello students, welcome to my second part of economics class, and today we'll be discussing on a topic investment, which is also a part of macroeconomics first chapter and also very important for MCQ type questions. Okay, now let us begin. Investment is a process of capital formation or a process that increases the stock of capital. Okay, so let us try to digest the meaning of this. The process that increases the stock of capital. What do you mean by stock? Stock is a quantity measured at a point of time. At a point of time means what? How much I have right now. Right now. Okay. So stock is a quantity measured at a point of time. And your capital, your plant and machinery is your capital. So plant and machinery is your capital. Quantity is your stock. So it is a increase in the stock of capital, right? So investment is a increase in the stock of capitals. And investment can be derived by this formula. The I is equal to, it should be del K, okay? I equal to delta K. Delta represent change in, and K represent capital stock. So investment is change in capital stock, and it is derived as stock of capital at the end of the year minus stock of capital at the beginning of the year. Okay, now let's assume that you have a farm and this is your farm building. Okay, you have a farm and this is your farm building, this is your plan. Okay, this is your plan, and you are producing salt. Assume that in the initial you are having 10 machines. Okay, you are having 10 machines. Now you want to increase the production of salt. So to increase your production, what must be done? You have to increase the number of machines. So you have purchased new 30 machines. So what is your stock now here? 40. 40 is your stock. What is the increase? Earlier you were having 10, and at present your stock of capital is 40. So there is an increase of 30 new machines. So this is your investment. All right, and it can be derived using this formula also. At the end of the year, your capital stock is 40, and at the beginning of the year it was 10. So your investment is, your change in capital stock or your increase in capital stock is 30. So this is your investment. Got it? Okay, let's move on to fixed investment and inventory investment. Investment comprises of fixed investment and inventory investment. Okay, so fixed investment, it's a investment. It refers to increase in the stock of fixed assets of the producer during an accounting year. Okay, so increase in the stock of fixed assets, or increase in the stock of plant and machinery, or increase in the stock of capital. This is your investment, fixed investment. Okay, now coming to inventory investment. What do you mean by inventory? When we talk about inventory, it means inventory stock, and inventory stock includes finished good, semi-finished goods which are in the process of production, raw material. These are your inventory stock, and the amount of this stock varies over time. Okay, so your inventory stock is nothing, it's a change in inventory stock during year. Okay, change in inventory stock during year. Let's assume that at the beginning of the year, the amount of inventory stock is 10k. Okay, 10k, and at the end of the year the amount of inventory stock rose from 10 to 40k. Okay, 10 to 40k. Now let us see the change here. At the end of the year is 40k, and at the beginning of the year it was 10k, right? So there is a change of 30k, or increase of 30k in inventory stock. So this is your inventory investment. So inventory investment refers to change in inventory stock during the year. Right, I hope you are clear about this. Let's move on to next concept, concept of gross investment, net investment, and depreciation. Okay, so gross investment means what? Total. Gross means total. Okay, so gross investment means total production of goods, total production of capital goods in the economy during the year. And gross investment comprises of two components: net investment and depreciation. Okay, net investment, what is net investment? Net investment is a net addition to the capital stock, net investment to capital stock. Okay, for example, earlier you were having two machines and now you want to increase your production. To increase your production, what you did, you purchase another two more machines. Okay, so you added two more machines, so this is your, you added to how much? Two more machines, right? This is your net investment. Okay, net addition to capital stock. And depreciation, what is depreciation? The loss in the value of fixed assets over time due to, there are three reasons for causing losses in the value of fixed assets. Okay, number one, normal wear and tear. Normal wear and tear, when we use machine for a long period of time, like for 10 years, 20 years, the machine will become old and worn out and will become unusable, right? So for that, if a machine is old and unusable, we have to discard it and we have to replace by a new one, right? But this also causes loss in the value of fixed asset. Number two, accidental damages. Now, your machine breakdown due to some reason or due to some accident, and you cannot repair it, and this machine cannot be repaired. In such cases, you have to replace by new machines again, right? So this also causes loss in the value of fixed asset. The last one, third one, expected obsolescence. Obsolescence come from a word obsolete. Obsolete. Okay, it come from a word obsolete. Obsolete. Okay, means what? Outdated. Outdated means outdated. So there are two reasons which causes outdated. Number one is change in technology, another one is change in demand. Okay, so expected obsolescence is an expected outdated. The producers knows that these changes are going to occur. Okay, like change in technology, change in demand are going to occur. He knows it, the producer knows it, so that is why it is called expected obsolescence. Now, change in technology, how change in technology cause loss in the value of fixed assets. Let's take an example. We know that earlier we were using typewriter and now we have shifted from typewriter to computer, right? So what happened is that the machine which were used in manufacturing typewriter are now become outdated and are useless. So we have to replace this machine manufacturing typewriter to machine manufacturing computer, right? This causes loss in the value of fixed asset. Now next is change in demand. Now let's assume that demand changes from rubber shoes to leather shoes. So what will happen to the rubber shoes producing machines is that now we have to replace machines which were used to manufacture shoes to the machines used for manufacturing leather shoes, right? So you have to replace the machines which were used to manufacture leather shoes to a machine which can manufacture leather shoes. This also causes loss in the value of fixed assets, right? So such losses is your depreciations. Okay, so depreciation is your loss in the value of fixed assets due to normal wear and tear, accidental damages, and expected obsolescence. And gross investment is the summation of net investment plus depreciation. Okay, now that gross investment is equal to net investment plus depreciation, right? And net investment will be equal to, if you subtract depreciation from gross investment, you'll get net investment. Okay, And another name of depreciation is consumption. Consumption, consumption of fixed capital. Fixed capital. Okay. Another name of depreciation is consumption of fixed capital. Remember this. All right. And there are also a kind of losses which is caused by unexpected obsolescence. Okay. Unexpected obsolescence, and this is called, and losses caused by unexpected obsolescence is called capital loss. Okay. So unexpected obsolescence are like natural calamities or recession. We never know when earthquake will hit us, when tsunami will hit us, when fire will break out. It is unpredictable, right? And when this thing broke out, and when this thing hit us, it will cause losses to the value of fixed assets, right? And such losses is known as capital loss and not depreciation. Okay. Depreciation is caused by normal wear and tear, accidental damages, and expected obsolescence, not by unexpected obsolescence. Remember this. All right. Okay, then here's a question, but it seems there are some technical issue here. All right. Okay, this is the end of my second part. If you have any doubt, queries regarding this, you can post your question in the comment section. All right. See you in my next part. Till then, take care. Bye bye.